And sisters, very my brothers and sisters, this is Advocate P. Devmorari talking to you from Ahmedabad city, Gujarat state, India, that is Bharat. I'm excited today to talk to you about the new sections introduced for the first time in Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023. In all, there are 14 sections newly introduced. I'll be talking about that. Not in details. Number 1, BNS section 2, subsection 3. It defines child. Child means any person below the age of 18 years. Now this definition is applicable to the offence of rape and POXO. Number 2, BNS section 69. It deals with sexual intercourse by employing deceitful means. Number 3, BNS section 95. Hiring, employing or engaging a child to commit an offence. Number 4, BNS section 103 subsection 2. Punishment for murder. BNS section 106 subsection 2. Causing death by negligence. Number 6, BNS section 111. It talks about organized crime. It has 6 subsections. Number 7, petty organized crime. BNS section 112. Then comes number 8, BNS section 113, Terrorist Act. Number 9, BNS section 117, subsection 3 and 4. It deals with voluntary causing grievous hurt. Number 10, BNS section 152, Act endangering sovereignty, unity and integrity of India. Number 11, BNS section 197, subsection 1, clause B. It deals with imputations, assertions prejudicial to national integration. Then number 12, BNS section 226, attempt to commit suicide to compel or restrain exercise of lawful power. Number 13, BNS section 324, subsection 3. It deals with mischief. Number 14, BNS section 341, subsection 3 and 4. It deals with making or possessing counterfeit, seal, etc. with intent to commit forgery, punishable with section 338. In all, these are the 14 sections introduced in new law, that is Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023. Now in short, I will say BNS, means Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. Now BNS section 69. Sexual intercourse by employing deceitful means. I'll read out. Whether by deceitful means or by making promise to marry to a woman without any intention of fulfilling the same, has sexual intercourse with her. Such sexual intercourse, not amounting to the offence of rape, shall be punished with imprisonment of the description for a term which may extend to 10 years and shall also be liable to fine. Now in this, there is one terminology, deceitful means. Explanation is given, a little explanation. Deceitful means it shall include inducement for or false promise of employment or promotion or marrying by suppressing identity. If you are giving false promise to a woman or a girl that I'll give employment, I'll give promotion, I will suppress my identity, means I'm a Hindu and I like a Christian girl or a Muslim girl, and I will say that I'm a Muslim or a Christian, and she's prepared to marry with me, and let her she comes to know that I'm Hindu. Then I've cheated, I've suppressed my identity, means I've committed an offense, and it is punishable offense. It can extend to 10 years and shall also be liable to fine. So be careful not to commit such offences. Now, below section 103 subsection 2, it is meant for punishment for murder. Now, section 103 I'll read out. Initially, it was section 302 in Indian Penal Code. Now, in new section, BNS 103. Subsection 1. Whoever commits murder shall be punished with death or imprisonment for life and shall also be liable to fine. This punishment was there in IPC also. Now, subsection 2 is introduced newly. I'll read out. When a group of 5 or more persons acting in concert, I emphasize, commits murder on the ground of race, caste, or community, sex, place of birth, language, personal belief, or any other similar ground, each member of such group, because they are acting in concert, condition is it should be 5 or more than 5. Each member of such group shall be punished with death or with imprisonment for life and shall also be liable to fine. Now, BRS section 106 subsection 2, causing death by negligence, subsection 2. I think this subsection 2 should be understood by the parents as well as by all young people. Whoever causes death of any person by rash and negligent driving of vehicle, not amounting to culpable homicide, and escapes, after doing this offense, runs away, without reporting it to a police officer or a magistrate soon after the incident. It means duty is cast upon the person that escapes without reporting it. So it should be reported to the police officer soon after the incident or magistrate. If you don't do this, you shall be punished with imprisonment of either description of a term which may extend to 10 years and shall also be liable to fine. Now, petty organized crime, wonderful section, BLS section 112. Subsection 1. Whoever being a member of a group of gang, either singly or jointly, commits any act of theft, snatching, cheating, unauthorized selling of tickets, unauthorized betting or gambling, and this is new, current topic, selling of public examination question papers, or any other similar criminal act is said to commit petty organized crime. Only one person cannot do this. Explanation. For the purpose of this subsection, theft includes trick theft, theft from vehicle, dwelling house, or business premises, cargo theft, pickpocketing, theft through car skimming, shoplifting, and theft of automator teller machine. Subsection 2. Whoever commits any petty organized crime, I've stated the list, shall be punished with imprisonment for a term which shall not be less than 1 year, which may extend to 7 years, and shall also be liable to fine. Minimum punishment is 1 year, it can extend to 7 years, it depends upon the gravity of the offense. Now, This is section 2 to 6. I've selected some sections, and there are other sections also which I'll prepare a separate video for this, otherwise it will become lengthy for about 2 to 3 hours, which I don't like. There is section 2 to 6. Attempt to commit suicide to compel or restrain exercise of lawful power. Whoever attempts to commit suicide with the intent to compel or restrain any public servant, this is safety for public servant, from discharging his official duty, shall be punished with simple imprisonment for a term which will extend to 1 year, or with fine, or with both, or with community service. Now there are some people who tell any public servant, if you don't do this, then I will commit suicide and you will be in trouble. So public servant gets frightened, becomes nervous, he gets afraid of such things. So this section is for them. I'll read it again. Whoever attempts to commit suicide with the intent to compel or restrain any public servant from discharging his official duty shall be punished with simple imprisonment for a term which will extend to 1 year, or with fine, or with both, or with community service. Without sending him to the jail, the state can punish him for community service. So I think you have got some new information. I'll come out with another video with all details. Hope you have enjoyed this. And this is our continuous journey for self-development, and we should live a life of wisdom. Thank you very much. You have seen in your video, but before departing, I humbly request all my viewers, if you are not new, then please subscribe it. Even if you are not new, then please subscribe it, like it and share it. And sharing is, our fellow beings may not be knowing these new laws because these are introduced for the first time. So if you share with them, it will increase their knowledge and it will be service to the society. Thank you, and thank you.